Morning. So this thing is giving us hydraulic issues. So we're gonna unhook it and demo a new Fendt. Let's see if we can find the master switch. Gotta start it somehow. Found the master switch. It's a button. Well, that doesn't work. What's going on here?
Is it in here? No, it's not.
First time in a Fendt and we can't figure it out.
Maybe it's in here. Side controller.
Peter new? Oh, no, we need the engine on.
Junk.
Junk.
Until we figure it out. Parking brake's on. It says it's on right here.
Well, we can't figure out how to start it. Bunch of dumb John Deere guys, eh? Well, Alex figured out how to start it 5 minutes later.
Alright, this is pretty cool. Moving the suspension up and down.
Most of the crew's going. These boys still got a couple combines left to fix, a couple headers. Hey, what's taking so long? All right, let's see how much fuel all these guys burn in a day. Just the combines and tractors. That's one done. That one took 710 liters. While I got some time this morning, I'm gonna move all the header trailers from this field to the field they're on right now, so there's less wasted time coming all the way here to unhook and go to the next spot. Alrighty, got all the header trailers at the new spot. Time to go do something else. Line up at the unloader. Come on, Alex. Can't keep up to the combines today. Everything's full and waiting for us when we get back. Just like that. 5 minutes and we're both gone. These are some big boys. How much you got? You still got lots in there. Yeah. 4 of us hauling. Still can't keep up. This truck is giving us problems. And issues shifting automatic, so we're gonna go grab this log truck that's not quite rigged yet, waiting for decals. So we are gonna use it to haul some grain today, maybe tomorrow, all weekend. Pretty slick looking truck, nice dark gray. Put some fuel in, grease the fifth wheel to go. Oh, it's first load. Oh, that new truck smell. She smells pretty good. Here she goes. Or it's first load. On to the next field. Boys are unhooking. Heading out. Finally caught up to the combines. Nice. That's pretty beautiful. No wind tonight. Everything's dusty. Combines are already starting to struggle. Call it a day early. To be continued. Just enjoy this beautiful sunset. John Deere's favorite thing to do. Oh, you guys got to take it in to the dealer to get her fixed. Well, okay. Guess we'll do that. Perfect. That ain't going nowhere. Mother deer. All right, that's got to go there. That's got to go here. Just like that. Back home. Oh boy. Isn't turning on. Why is the belt so loose? What's going on? Little kid running it. First day splitting the combines up. Got 1X9, 2X9, and the 680 all together. We couldn't keep up trucking, so we had to split them up. One crew is right around home, and these ones are at the farthest farthest wheat field. So kind of offset it. Hopefully it goes better today, a little smoother. No combine should be sitting. Yep. Well, we got a combine down. This cooling fan belt ripped. That ain't gonna work, boys. Oh yeah. Jumping. Probably gotta go to John Deere and get a new belt. That's not production. So while our one crew is way butt crack nowhere, I will see if I can show you guys where our crew close to home is. Climb up there and try to get some better service. Harvesting all of Grandpa's little pieces at home. Oh, almost forgot about this. Damn it. Fuel they went through. Oh, 7,700. That's not too bad for 2 days. It's a lot better than usual. Oh, I screwed up. Turned the wrong way into sand. Stuck. I'm gonna see if we can yank her out with a F-150 and a tow rope. Let's go. No, you can't. If you back up enough, it's gonna hit that ladder up there. No, it's gonna. No, it's not. You're not gonna get out. You're not gonna get out. Try it. All right, buddy. Drag me out. Just like that. I bet he doesn't even feel it. All right, week one is done. We got about 4,300 acres done this week. It's a pretty good first week. And we filled up two 96,000 bushel bins. Two of these 15,000 bushel bins, that's all wheat. And then 4 bins of 10,000 bushels of barley. And hauled a few loads into the elevator. So yeah, see you guys later.